This lesson is about the present continuous or present progressive. It is used for actions that are happening now. So, let's look at the example. This is Tom. Tom is in his car. He is in his way to work. He is driving to work. This means that Tom is driving now at the time of speaking. The action is not finished. We form the present continuous with the auxiliary verb plus a main verb with ing. For example, she is listening to music at the moment. She is swimming now. Now, let's watch some pictures. What are they doing? They are playing soccer. What are they doing? They are running. What is the baby doing? He is sleeping. Now, let's listen to the sounds and describe what it is. She is singing. They are running. A horse is walking. Autor, María Concepción Sánchez López. Voz, María Concepción Sánchez López.